In this video, we see how glass marbles are made in a factory. Glass marbles were once used as playthings, but nowadays, many people use it in decorative items and spray paints. The construction of this marble starts from useless and broken pieces of glass. All this is scooped out and put into a furnace that burns at 1600 degrees Celsius. After preparing the glass inside it, it is passed through a cutter in liquid form. Here, the cutter cuts the glass into smaller pieces very quickly. It falls straight down between the spinning rollers. Glass pieces that are rotated through this and end up in a nice round shape are rolled from there to the next side along the long path. There will be many machines working simultaneously in the factory to cut and take glass from the same furnace. These glasses, which are very hot, should be cooled down. For that, they are placed on the big tabletop. After that, each marble is passed through a special table and checked for quality. Removes the bad ones. So the beautiful glass marbles are ready, and now they are bagged and sent to the required places. The colored and intricate marbles are handmade. This craftsman first preheats some clear glass in a small oven. Then he breaks off a piece of colored glass. After the clear glass has melted in the furnace, he gathers some on a steel rod. Then picks up a chunk of preheated colored glass. With it he forms a knob and works the mass into a long string that's up to 5 meters long and thin as a noodle. He'll use them in various colors to decorate the clear glass cores of the marbles. He gathers a clump of melted clear glass on the rod and shapes it with wet newspaper, which won't stick to hot glass. After shaping the end, he rolls the clump on several preheated colored glass strings. Then it's back in the furnace. He repeats these steps up to 3 times and rolls the clump on a metal table to even out the surface between each trip to the furnace. Then he adds a layer of clear glass on top. With another tool, now he stretches the clump to about half 1 meter long. He'll use this to make several cores. To make the second layer of the core, he rolls a 5 centimeters long segment onto colored glass slivers called ribbons. After rolling them in the furnace to melt them, he flattens the ribbons with pliers and snips off the excess at the ends. He wraps the core and the ribbons in a layer of clear glass, then hand shapes it. Now he rolls the core on more glass strings. Then it's back in the furnace to melt them. He adds one more clear glass layer, and the inside is finished. That's a total of 6 layers for this marble. Other models have fewer or more. The craftsman shapes the glass with several metal and wooden tools. He measures the diameter with metal calipers and gradually sculpts a sphere. He'll make up to 5 marbles from this segment, ranging up to the size of a golf ball. After scouring the glass with a knife, he places it in the open end of a pipe to hold it. Then he gently taps the rod, which breaks the glass and releases the sphere. He melts away the lump left at the spot where the glass broke. Next, the marble goes into an oven at 530 degrees Celsius. The oven slowly cools overnight to strengthen the glass. Clearly cut above. This eye-catching. How were the view of glass marble made in a factory. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.